Hey YouTube, let's try some up-leveled, still discount strawberry milk today. Super simple and quick. In your blender, 2 cups of your chosen milk. This right here is homemade oat milk. About 1.5 cups of strawberries, and this is what makes it so good. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. In you go. Put your lid on and pulse to get it going. Okay, so that is literally all you need to do to make your own decadent strawberry milk. Super simple. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.